So the hot water heater for the camper is a lot like a dryer for your house and stuff. You got to use your old cord. So there is a diagram on here. I don't think it's very necessary. Take this screw off for this cover. Get to the wires. Pull that cover down. Obviously it's unplugged because it's out here on my truck. Black to black, white to white. White's your neutral, black's your load. Take the wire nuts off and move the cord and take the ground loose and move your cord to the new hot water heater. Alright, just one more step. Thanks for watching.